Hey, Starlight. What are you doing here?
You left in such a hurry before, we kinda thought you didn't want to come.
Yeah, I guess after the way I used my magic on all of you, I wasn't sure I was some pony who should even be in charge of a baking contest. I was afraid I might go back to being the pony I used to be. But I realized that sometimes you don't have a choice. You have to step up. And I have changed. I can handle it, whether that means saving Equestria or helping friends with the Sunset Festival. Speaking of which, I know the festival's almost over, but I kinda invited a few of my friends to join. Hope that's okay.
Are you kidding? Of course!
Great. Now where's that baking contest? This pony needs a cupcake.